Dating tips for men and women. Be yourself. Authenticity is your strongest asset. Embrace your true self, and let your genuine personality shine. Confidence is key. Confidence is attractive. Carry yourself with self-assuredness, stand tall, and maintain eye contact. Effective communication. Listen actively and engage in meaningful conversations. Show interest in your date stories and opinions. Choose a comfortable venue. Opt for a setting where you can have a conversation without distractions. A cozy cafe or a quiet park works well. Dress appropriately. Dress according to the occasion and your personal style. Dressing well boosts your self-esteem. Respect boundaries. Always respect your date's personal space and boundaries. Consent is essential. Plan a memorable first date. Choose an activity that allows for interaction, such as mini golf, an art class, or a picnic. Mind your manners. Be polite and courteous. Use please and thank you, and exhibit good table manners if dining out. Put away your phone. Keep your phone aside and focus on the person in front of you. This shows respect and genuine interest. Learn from rejections. Not every connection will turn into a relationship. Take rejections gracefully and see them as stepping stones. Keep the conversation light. Avoid sensitive or controversial topics on the first few dates. Focus on shared interests and positive discussions. Be open-minded. Everyone has different backgrounds and perspectives. Be open to understanding their viewpoint. Embrace humor. Laughter is a great icebreaker. Share jokes and funny stories to create a relaxed atmosphere. Focus on quality over quantity. Don't rush into too many dates. Invest time in getting to know one person deeply. Offer genuine compliments. Compliments should be sincere and specific. Compliment their choice of outfit, smile, or something you genuinely appreciate. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude even if a date doesn't go as planned. Every experience is a learning opportunity. Avoid comparisons. Don't compare your current date to past relationships or other people. Give each person a fair chance. Show appreciation. Express gratitude for their time and company at the end of the date, regardless of the outcome. Be patient. Building connections takes time. Don't rush into serious discussions or commitments too soon. Have fun. Dating is about discovering each other while enjoying the journey. Let go of pressure and enjoy the process. Remember, dating is a journey of self-discovery and forming connections. These tips are meant to help you navigate the initial stages with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching.